today. Yes, I bet I can climb very high. Higher than last time? Much higher, Leo.
I am going to climb all the way up there, Leo. It looks very high. Don't worry, Leo. I always climb carefully. Okay, Maya, but please be careful.
Mom and Dad are inside the house. They do not know what Maya is about to do.
Honey, do you want more coffee?
Yes, please. Thank you.
1 branch, 2 branches. I told you, I am a great climber. Maybe that is high enough now. I want to reach the top branch. Maya, you are so high already. I can barely see you. Be careful, Maya. Hold on tight. I am always careful, Leo. Stop worrying. Leo, I can see over the fence from here. That is amazing, Maya. The very top is just up there. Almost there. Just 1 more branch. Maya, those branches look very thin up there. I am almost at the very top, Leo.
This branch feels a little weak. Oh, that is very high. Maya, that branch looks thin.
Maya! That branch is too thin! Come down right now! Leo, I am trying. Whoa! Wait! No! Maya! Ow! Ow! My arm, it hurts.
Maya, are you okay? Maya, please say something. Mom, Dad, help! Maya fell!
Maya, where are you?
Where's Maya? Over here, by the tree. She fell. She is on the ground.
Maya, I am right here. Can you hear me, sweetheart? Where does it hurt?
It hurts so much.
You're okay.
I should have stopped her. I should have told Mom and Dad.
Leo, you tried to warn her. You called for help immediately. You did everything right.
But she is still hurt, Dad.
And she is going to be okay because of you. Here we are. Come inside, everyone.
Dad, will the doctor hurt my arm more?
No, sweetheart. The doctor will help your arm.
You are so brave, Maya.
I am right here, Maya. I am anywhere.
Hello, Maya. I'm Dr. Sarah. Can you show me where it hurts?
Here, doctor, and here.
Does this hurt?
A little bit.
You're doing very well.
Is it broken?
I think you're going to be okay. Good news, Maya. It is not broken. It's just a small sprain. Oh, thank goodness.
Thank you, Dr. Sarah. Mom, I'm sorry. I should have listened.
Everyone makes mistakes, Maya.
What matters is that you're safe.
I know. But you're safe now.
How are you feeling now, Maya?
My arm still hurts a little, but I am okay, Dad.
I am glad you are okay.
But we need to talk about what happened
Today.
We do.
Maya, why did you keep climbing when Leo told you to come down?
I wanted to reach the top. I wanted to do something brave.
And what do you think now?
I think I was showing off, not being brave.
Maya, being brave does not mean ignoring danger.
Real bravery is knowing when to stop. Real bravery is knowing when to stop. I think that makes sense. Leo, I am sorry. I'm sorry I scared you today. I was so scared, Maya. I should have listened to you.
From today, our family has a new rule.
Completely with that rule.
And when someone says it's too dangerous, you stop.
I agree.
It is because we love you.
We understand, Mom.
Today I learned something important. Being brave does not mean doing something dangerous. Real bravery is knowing when to listen. Maya climbed too high today. A branch broke, and she fell and hurt her arm. But she is okay now, and she